Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to consume Ashwagandha and Shatavari. We'll start by looking at the various forms these beneficial herbs come in, like powders and capsules. Then, we'll dive into the recommended dosages, helping you understand how much to take for optimal results. We'll also cover the best times of day to consume each herb, and finally, how you can effectively combine them to maximize their wonderful health benefits. When taking ashwagandha, you'll typically find it in powder or capsule form. If using powder, a good starting point is about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon daily, mixed into warm milk, water, or honey. For capsules, dosages often fall between 250 and 600 milligrams per day. It's generally best to take ashwagandha with food to help prevent any stomach discomfort, and consistency is key for experiencing its full adaptogenic benefits over time. Shatavari is another versatile herb, commonly found as a powder, in capsules, or as a liquid extract. For powder, a typical dose is 1 to 2 teaspoons, which you can mix into warm milk or water and consume once or twice daily. If you prefer capsules, a dosage of 500 milligrams to 1 gram per day is often recommended. It's generally advised to take Shatavari after meals, especially with warm milk, to support digestion and absorption. Many people find great benefits in combining ashwagandha and Shatavari, as they complement each other beautifully. Ashwagandha is often favored in the evening to promote relaxation and restful sleep, while Shatavari can be taken after meals, either in the morning or at night, to support hormonal balance and digestion. This powerful duo works synergistically to enhance overall well-being, helping you manage stress and maintain vitality. Always listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.